I got this right here. See, the edge is rusty. I can't weld that rusty edge right there, so I gotta clean it up. And we'll do that over here with the wire brush. See, it's shiny now, so now all I gotta do is clean up the other side and then we should be able to weld to it. Right now you can see that we got both surfaces cleaned up. There's a bit big of a gap right here, so we're gonna have to fill that in. So now the next step is turn on the welder, put on the face mask, and weld that thing up. I also got the ground down there on the vise, so it should go through this whole piece and up to there. So what we figured out there is that we can't put it here, so we have to clean off another spot. One here, probably one of these tabs or something like that. Clean off one of them, and then we could stick our clamp to that and finally make a good connection. That right there should be enough. Stick the glove on. Alright, so what we figured out there was I got the welder settings up too hot and it burned right through. So we'll turn down the welder settings, try them again. We got it a little bit better right there, but we're gonna have to do some cleaning up on it. I can fill in these spots right here with it. So I'm gonna do the rest of it and bring you guys back when I get the rest of it. Right, I've been having some serious difficulties filling in this weld, and I got all this like slag they call it on it. So I'm just gonna take my brush over here, and this is the same thing as doing that thing over there. It's just more manual, but you can get into the spots better, and it's a little bit more affordable, so you can take it wherever. And you can see the difference right there between the two. So now you can see they look pretty bad. Yeah, they're pretty bad. Alright, this is before I clean it all up. I'm gonna have to go and get a little piece of metal to put right here and weld that piece of metal to it, because that's just too much to fill in with the welder. This is what it looked like after I cleaned it up. I still gotta add that piece of metal over there, but it doesn't have all that crap on it anymore. I also realized that I welded this in crooked, but I always cut that out. So I'm limited on metal. I'm gonna use these what looks to be like rivet things, and I'm gonna cut little chunks and weld them into there, get that gap a little bit smaller. We got 3 of them made. Now time to weld them right in there. Alright, we got these, and they're gonna go somewhere up there like that, and I'm just gonna tack all of them in place first. I'll show you guys, then we're just gonna full weld them in. You know my luck. One of these pieces came off and it fell down somewhere on this table right here. And I can't really find it, so I'm just gonna cut another one. Alright, we got all 3 of them on there, tacked on there, so they're not gonna go anywhere. Now we're gonna full on weld all of it and hope that it works. Cause I honestly don't even know if it's gonna work or if it's even gonna look good. I'm hoping it does both, but we'll find out. Alright, just got finished welding it. Probably roast a marshmallow on that, it's that hot. So now I'll take the brush, like we did with everywhere else, clean it up. Alright guys, I got it cleaned up. It's still really hot, like you could feel the heat coming off of it, and I'm gonna fix them 2 holes right there, and we'll call this thing finished. Alright, I got this cleaned up, or I don't got it cleaned up yet. I got the holes filled in, so we'll clean that up and then this will be finished.